In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix computer freezes and makes buzzing or high-pitched noise on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing that we need to do is we need to update the audio drivers. So right-click at the Start button, select Device Manager. Once Device Manager window is opened, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and simply update each driver. Right-click, select Update Drivers, search automatically for drivers. The same thing for each of the driver from here. You can also do this for the display adapters or the graphics card. Right click, select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Okay. Next method is we can also run the Windows malicious software removal tool to check for any malware. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type MRT. Okay. Click on that under the best match. So this is the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. Click on next to continue. And then you can choose the type of scan. You can go with quick scan if you are in a hurry or if you don't have enough time. But if you have enough time, and then you can go with full scan and simply click on the next button and just wait for this process to be done. Okay. Once this is done, you can restart your Windows once. Next method is we have to, so let me just quickly cancel this to perform any other steps. Okay. So next method is you can also perform a clean boot. So for that, press Windows key and R button together to open the run window. Type msconfig. Click on OK to open the system configuration window. Click on Services tab. Now check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Then you have to click on apply, click on OK, and click on the restart button if the restart button appear from here. Okay. Then, for the final method, you can update the BIOS by going to the manufacturer's website on a browser. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.